Got the front emblem off. Already got the rear disassembled over here. We're just give it a light sanding and then hit it with this adhesion promoter. First step is going to be removing these little blue rivet looking things on the back. Using a 5/16 drill bit we got right here. Let's do it. Fully assembled. I'm gonna let them cure for about 24 hours and then I'll buff them. Now for this front emblem, I'm going to use some of this 3M double-sided emblem tape. I'll stick it on the back side, probably somewhere right in here. I'll line up with the back of this blue spot right here. It's got these clips to hold it on, but just in case, I'd hate to, if those would break or something, that fall off. There you go. Just pressed it in. So it's nice and flush. Nice and tight on there. I'll show you the back side what those clips look like once they've been pushed in. Let's get it on the truck. Here's a better look. The emblem on the grill. Still needs to be buffed and polished. So get that grill back on. There's 4 10mm bolts holding it on at the top. black.